Hello everyone. Today, we're creating a clever text-based logo for the word light, where the letter G transforms into a light bulb, symbolizing ideas, innovation, and bright thinking.
Take it easy.